Hey everyone, so in this video I'm going to show you how to withdraw money from Skrill to Wise in 2025. So first of all, uh, let me tell you there are four options to you can withdraw. Like you can withdraw from Skrill to bank account, and you can withdraw from Skrill to card, from Skrill to PayPal, and you can also withdraw crypto from Skrill. And let me tell you the first one, from Skrill to bank account. So first of all, you have to go to your Skrill account and log in and head to the withdraw section. Under bank account, select withdraw now, choose the bank account, what that is of course the Wise account, and you'll need to add one if you haven't already linked a bank account to your Skrill account, and enter the amount you want to withdraw. Check all the details and confirm by entering your Skrill pin. And for Skrill to card, you have to sign into your Skrill account and go to the withdraw now section, and under credit or debit card, select withdraw now. Of course, you have to select the Wise card and select a card or add one if you haven't already, and enter the amount you want to withdraw and check all the details and confirm by entering your Skrill pin. And last of all, you can also withdraw amount from Skrill to PayPal. So we'll not talk about this one because this video is about Skrill to Wise. So you can also withdraw money from crypto from Skrill. And so for that, you have to log into Skrill account and select your crypto portfolio, choose the crypto you'd like to withdraw or convert, select sell, select a fiat currency to convert it like GBP, confirm by selecting withdraw, and send you bank to your bank account. So that's it for this video. See you on the next one.